Randy, we're starting it.
What is up, everybody? Welcome to Jimmy's channel.
So today is the open house. As you guys can probably tell, it literally just started a minute ago, and shit's filling up. So it's my homie Mike. I'm gonna put his Instagram right below. We've actually been talking on Instagram for a long time now because of a certain reason. That is because of this. Look at this thing. This is obviously the swap I'm trying to do in my FD, so it's cool to talk to someone who's done it and done it really well. Wow. Oh, and by the way, here's another one, but it's a rotary.
It looks good.
This dude's kind of a badass. Both of these cars are gorgeous too. Dude, they're fucking both beautiful.
Gorgeous. Thank you, Jimmy.
Wow. Wow, I am sleeping. Literally gonna rip. I'm stealing these. Oh my god. You know how hard these are to find? These things are so expensive. I don't understand. So his actually sits literally exactly like mine. Like literally spot on, but it seems like it doesn't hang as much. So I'm going crazy. I gotta check this out because the big issue with my 1J swap is that the oil pan is so low, so is the rack, and this has no issues. Such goals. Such goals. Get it! Oh! Hey! Oh. Come on, Randy. Come on, let's see it. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
You guys want to see a backflip, right? I'm gonna fucking die. Last time I did a backflip, dude, I fucking hit my head.
We're inside for 5 minutes. TJ had me right in the heat of it. I couldn't even hold my ears shut. That was unreal. I'm gonna have a ringing in my ears for the next fucking month. It's amazing. Dude, I love it. I like it. No, I like it. See, this is the problem. Yeah. People try and take them off, and they don't realize there's 2 bolts in like the inside, so everyone just rips them off, and you gotta buy new ones.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is the first time I'm sitting in an FD with stock seats. I sat in one FD before, and it had like Horbos in it. And you know what? I don't fit. No, I could see myself doing this. I fit more in this than the other one. This is good news. I got headroom. It's a non-sunroof car. God, these are such nice cars. I'm literally in. Today, as you can tell, FDs are on my mind because I keep looking at them and they're so gorgeous. I'm so happy I own one. Kind of. I own half of one. Randy, he's got our. Well, these aren't the same. What? You ever seen fake Blitz?
Oh shit!
Oh my god. Actually, what if these are the real ones and we got the fake ones?
We got the fake ones for sure.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Randy's been helping me out all day here signing shirts.
Ah, not there, Jimmy! Damn it!
Did it hurt?
It didn't. I'm used to it.
Too much in it? If I break it or no?
Jimmy, I pack a lot of punch, dude. You better watch out.
Low center of gravity.
You better watch out.
That is the greatest thing I've ever seen.
Baby! James, get the toolbox!
That dude's something else.
He's wild, man.
He's a legend, dude.
That's amazing.
They just sent us a picture of the turbo in his hand above the engine like 4 days ago and was like, should I do it? And now it's here, fully boosted, making over 700 horse. That dude is a whole different level of badass. Oh, these are the seats I want for mine.
Alright.
Confettis.
I got you. Santa's got you for Christmas, baby.
Okay, yo.
I got you.
Look at this cool guy.
What you know?
You ready to race?
Who? Who am I racing? Oh. Yeah, I mean, I'm really calm.
What do you think now that you saw in person?
I feel worse for him. I'm not even just saying that. I thought it'd be more like track ready.
It's a drift car.
Exactly. So that's why I thought it'd be more track
Plot
ready.
twist, Jack's gonna fuck all you guys up.
You got your money on it?
That thing's cool. Hold on, look at my breathing right.
3,
Alright, ready?
2, 1, go. Oh, Jimmy's done.
Jimmy wins.
Have a lot of water in them.
They both had him. He had more than me. No, he had more than me. I have less than you.
You got me. Good one.
Refreshing.
What is up, everybody, on Jimmy's vlog? Yo, I fuck with Jimmy Oaks. Heavy. Let's see, what do I say? What do I say about Jimmy? Tall, handsome, heard he's got a really big and he fucks with the Eliminate gang heavy. So Jimmy, Love you, dude. Today's my first day meeting him, and it's amazing. Cool guy. Isn't Jimmy such a cool dude?
He's great. No, he's fantastic.
And massive, massive cock.
Oh yeah, for sure. Yeah.
I'm not scared. I know, bitch. I do this shit. This is not good. You're gonna die, Jimmy. You're gonna die. It's okay. Why do I do this? What'd I say? Oh my god!
That shit was fire.
Guys, remember that FD I showed you before with the 1J in it? I just got the best offer ever. He offered to let me drive it. Now, I'm so excited. This is the first time ever driving an FD, and this one's 1J. Now, this is a pretty stock setup. He got it in there recently, and he just finished it up, so it's on the stock tune and everything, so it's not like, it's no crazy power yet, but it's gonna be cool to see how it feels between like weight balance and just the drivability of it. I don't even know if I could fit in the thing. Oh my god.
Boy.
Oh my god.
Alright, sounds good.
Well, I have no idea where I am, so we're gonna figure this out together.
I don't know where I am either.
Looks like everyone's leaving this way, so we'll go out this way. How much PSI? I don't even look.
0.7, so 10 pounds.
What? Okay, what's the one thing you don't like about it though? There has to be one thing.
Yeah,
You have a rotary one, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you know comparing. What do you miss?
it's I don't feel the soul in this one, man.
You don't feel the soul in
I don't
it?
feel the soul in
You
it.
need more power.
I think that's probably what it is.
No, everyone says that though. Like the way the rotary feels in this chassis is just like the way it should feel, you know?
Yeah, you'll see.
Jimmy, I love it.
Yeah, the bumps here is pretty bad. Yeah.
You'll see. Even with the kit, this was basically the best I could get.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm scared. I think my rack's lower than yours. Damn, dude. It's smooth though. I'm just happy I can like fit in it enough to drive it.
Yeah, man. It's kind of a. Luckily, there's no sunroof, because with the sunroof, you would be.
Yeah, that's probably why I don't fit mine.
Nice car, Jimmy.
Right?
What was it?
How'd I look?
Dude, it was,
I look
clean.
good?
Yeah, it looked good, dude.
Dude, it was fun.
It's like you have an FD or something.
Alright, we started the day off right. Time to find holes in the side.
Trying to get that air in there.
Well, that's definitely an awesome way to start the day. So today is day 3, 2.5. Today we are going to the drag strip. Of course, I'm not dragging anything because I don't have a car, but it's gonna be fun to see all the different power levels, different weight levels, different grip, different drivers, different transmission setups, how they compare to each other on the drag strip, and it's gonna be a fun competition.
It's a very small car.
It's so small. You try it too. You got nothing. No way. really excited to see Cletus' shit hit because, I mean, Cletus has probably the fast car here, and none of this is my car, so I'm gonna try to avoid doing all the filming all the passes and stuff because, I mean, there's 6 YouTubers here. It's all their stuff, so we'll try and make this fun and entertaining today. But if you want to watch any of this stuff, check them out. That's so loud. That is the loudest Miata I've ever heard. But if you guys want to check out any in particular races, check out the channels. I mean, TJ's, you got Adams, you got Rudnick's, you got Tommy's, you got Taylor's, you got Cletus. Check them out. They're gonna be on there. But I'll be fucking around in my own way today, I guess.
I'm so
My feet?
Should we foot race since we don't got the cars?
Yes.
You guys should.
Okay. Let's go. No, not now. We're gonna go on the
now.
track.
What the
Oh,
fuck?
I was gonna warm up.
Give me the technique. Ooh.
Bounces off my gut nicely. This is the lazy way to jack it up.
All right, so this is Rudnick's first launch versus Taylor Ray. My guess is Rudnick either goes 1-2-1 or he just blows the tires off.
Taylor's gonna walk him.
Yeah, I mean, Taylor's gonna whoop him. Okay. Oh! Oh! Oh my God. That was a good race.
That was a good race.
Don't share content.
But damn, that was good.
surprising.
That was a
That was
good
good.
race.
Dude,
Check it out, Bryce Miata. Don't suck, TJ. What's your guess, TJ?
On the diff,
I'm gonna say a 13.8.
I'll accept that as a first pass.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. It's my first one.
I love this sticky shit. It's so fun to walk on. I usually don't like just showing off random cars on the channel, but fuck, the lighting, everything. I'm crying because like, oh
thing
my
is
God,
gorgeous.
it's so fucking
gorgeous.
beautiful. I'm honestly not usually a huge GTR fanboy, but fuck. Yeah, we've been hanging out all day and watching everyone just murder their cars. It's been amazing, but you guys are leaving.
You're gonna kick dirt without us, aren't you?
Dude, I'm so upset you guys are.
Sorry,
West
bro.
Coast, out of here, baby.
Yeah, come, yo.
welcome
Who am I staying
anytime.
with? You, come on.
Me.
You got a couch? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stay with him.
Fuck
yeah.
He has the castle pad. I'm
I have the
broke.
castle pad.
He says he's broken.
I got it.
All right, let's see it. Okay, Cletus is nice on the bike. So this has definitely been an amazing experience. So this is my second drag. I've showed you guys nothing, and I'm sorry. I don't want to take anyone's stuff, but man, I keep getting myself stuck in drag racing situations, and I'm starting to really like it too much. It sounds really fun, but it just sounds way too expensive. We'll see what happens. I keep talking about it, but I gotta be about it. Got a stray cat. Let's see if it's friendly. Hey, I've never met a friendly stray cat before. Adam, you want a pet cat?
What's up?
Want a pet cat?
That cat has 800,000 followers on Facebook.
Wait, is that a fact?
Yes, a fact.
I don't. What?
I don't know why, but that's a fact.
That is. I just pet a famous cat.
Yeah. Trying to drink some famous juice.
You said
And I don't mean my semen.
Whoa. Hey, no. Oh, you want
That
to
escalated quickly. Alright guys, so I didn't get much content today, so I decided to make it like one big video with yesterday's video, so here it is. But tomorrow's gonna be a sick day because tomorrow we will actually be drifting, and I couldn't be more excited. Now, I didn't bring my car, obviously, so what I'll be drifting is the Black Sea. I'm so excited. I'm so thankful, and I'm so excited that Adam's letting me drift this tomorrow. This is a really big deal. It means a lot. This is my first time drifting in Forest, my first time drifting in Z, first time drifting anything like this. I'm so happy. That's all I have to say. But hopefully I don't add any more dings or dents to this car. I mean, it's already pretty smashed up, so I guess, as long as I don't hit the front end, I don't think I'll be upset, so I'll try and be easy on it, but fuck yeah, I'm so excited. So tomorrow, stay tuned to watch me, hopefully not bash this car, and Adam's probably gonna try and shove his 13 into it, so we'll see what happens. But someone cut to the ender I made for yesterday's video and put it in right here because I miss my boy Randy. Hopefully see him soon.
Best part of my trip, dude. I'm so glad I came.
Dude, you gotta end it for me right here.
What are we doing?
Just tell him goodbye.
All right, guys. Jimmy's the fucking best ever. Go support him. Go down to the button below. Hit the subscribe button. I'm glad I came to Florida to meet with this guy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Deuces.